Okay, so as you can see here, I'm on the construction site for the new Austin FC Stadium, which is looking fantastic. You can see the roof right behind me here. As I'm recording this, it's about 7 or 8 months away from when the stadium's actually going to open up to fans, COVID willing. So we are going to talk a little bit about reading a building or a public space as a text. So when you're thinking about the author of a building, in this case you have Austin FC, right? So it's the soccer team that's coming to Austin. Everybody's really excited about it. So they've got an architect who's worked on other stadiums who they brought in. They've talked to fans, they've done focus groups, things like that. So they have this audience, obviously, of season ticket holders, and also obviously how it's going to look on TV. They're concerned about that for games. So that kind of becomes by extension part of the audience as well, right? So because it's not only thinking about soccer fans. I mean, it's going to be a live music venue as well, right? So also thinking about the people that would come to concerts to see those, right? So when you're thinking about that audience, you have all those different audiences, and then the purpose, just kind of depends, right? So, I mean, obviously as a live music venue, you wanted a place where people are going to come in and enjoy a show and be able to see and hear things really well. Obviously, if you're thinking about a stadium, you want it to be something state-of-the-art, something that is going to highlight the game well, but also something that is going to give a home field advantage, right? So that is something that could theoretically be a purpose. So when you're thinking about building or public space as a text, we're thinking about either features leading to one overarching purpose, like in this case maybe giving Austin FC a home field advantage, or making the people of Austin feel proud about a soccer team. Or it also could be theoretically that you were thinking about multiple purposes, right? So maybe you're thinking about it is this kind of community gathering place, because there's going to be a lot of kind of public space here as well when there's not games going on, and then thinking about its purpose as a soccer stadium, and then also thinking about its purpose as a venue. So when you're organizing this paper, you want to think about three kind of distinct specific features that you can organize into one purpose, or three certain purposes, right? So that is the essence of that, and I'm sure we'll talk more on the discussion boards.